Okay guys, on today's video, we got to start building a set of gates right here for this opening. And the only thing is we need to make them look very similar to these gates back here. It was built by Mr. Heath when he was here volunteering. But those were a lot easier because he built them on a set of sawhorses laying flat. These will have to be built in place. The only way I know to do it right where they'll match up, because this fence is running down at an angle. There's a lot going on here to make it match and kind of look right. I'm gonna build them in place. But anyway, let's get busy with it. All right, we got one side of the gate done yesterday afternoon. Now we got to get in here on the other side. Use these, instead of fence wire on these, we use these scrap pieces of cattle panel we had left over from our porch railing. And we got to get in here, and this 2x4 frame doubles on these. We got to put that on, and then we're gonna fill in the spaces with some 1x to cover up this material here. So let's get back with it. All right, you see I made this gate a little bit different than Heath did up there and I did on the other ones. But because of this material, this way just worked out better instead of running a second brace all the way through. And I do believe we'll be fine without it. So one gate's down. That's what the outside will look like. And eventually we'll have 3 rail slats on this side as well. So it's a double-sided fence. And it'll all look awesome, sprayed black. That's the biggest thing, is getting it black and it all blend in and disappear. And I got to finish the inside of this gate. Just duplicate that process again. Let's get back busy with it. All right, got both sides of the gate done. Now I just got to put a rod to hold one side in place and install the latch on there. And other than paint, she'll be complete. Let's get back with it. There we have it, guys. It's complete. All she needs is some black paint the next time we got the sprayer out. Got a heavy duty latch on there. Got a way to latch this gate solid so it can't go anywhere. Got a pipe in the ground that the rebar goes into. One more thing off the list to do before ranch day. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.
As always, God gets the glory for the good in my life. Jesus Christ is my Lord and Savior. Please feel free to reach out to the email in the description below with any questions you may have about our faith or what we do here at Lighted Path Ranch. God bless.